So basically keyword arguments can be combined with the positional arguments also, but when combined the positional arguments must come first and the keyword arguments must follow the positional arguments. Now let's have a look at this function definition fun, which takes three different parameters a, b and c. Now I can call this function with the keyword arguments as a equal to 10, b equal to 20, c equal to 30. So the same order I am using, but you can use a different order also. So c first, then a second, b third. So that's how I can change the order in which you are passing the parameters by using the keyword arguments. So now if you observe here in this function call fun of 10 comma 20 comma c equal to 30, here in this function call I am combining the positional arguments along with the keyword arguments. If you observe, the keyword argument is followed by the positional argument. The first two are passed as a positional arguments. So 10 comma 20 will be copied to the first two variables, that is a comma b, and then c equal to 30, anyhow that is used as a keyword argument. 30 is copied to the variable c. So that's how you can basically use the positional arguments and the keyword arguments in combination. So let's have a look at this. When you combine the positional arguments with the keyword arguments, you should be little careful. So let's have a look at this function call. So fun is called with a equal to 10 comma 20 comma 30. Here if you observe, positional arguments are followed by keyword arguments, which is not valid at all. So this kind of function call must be avoided. So now let's have a look at another function call 10 comma b equal to 20, c equal to 30. Here I am calling the function first using the positional argument followed by the keyword argument, so it is valid. So have a look at another function called a equal to 10, b equal to 20 and 30. I am using the positional argument followed by the keyword arguments, which is again invalid. So whenever positional arguments are combined with the keyword arguments must follow the positional arguments. Only on the right hand side you can have the positional arguments. That's how you can remember.